Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're on our way to Camp Margaritaville, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'll bring you back when we get there. Now, when you're at Camp Margaritaville, you share the resources of the hotel. So that's the Camp Margaritaville Lodge. So a lot of the amenities are there. And then this is the entranceway for the campground. And you can see they have 3 lanes. So you pull up here and they'll check you in and then you go to your site. If you come in after 7 p.m., then you go up to the main entrance of the lodge and check in there and then come in this way. So it's very easy to get in here. We didn't get in till 1:30 in the morning. So it was dark and we didn't know where we were at. It was easy to figure it out. So everything's well marked, and we'll take a look at the sites that they have here. We are in site 51. So this is in the lower section. You can see they have these different sections. So here's the site. Keith had pulled this in last night like this and hasn't changed it yet. He wanted the lights to set up. But you can see it has full hookups. It's water, sewer, and electric. The electric is 50, 30, and 20. There is cable, but it doesn't have a TV yet. We're gonna have to hook that up. This camper does have a slide. And here is the back. The rack can hold 250 pounds. And over here on the fun side, it's a picnic table on a ring. We haven't really used that. Have the awning out. Got a couple chairs. Cat's relaxed in there in a beach chair. You can see there's room over here. The sites are spaced nice, so you can see, you know, this site is all the way back through here. But look at this back, there's no one behind you. So that is really nice. Kind of gives you the sense of a little bit of privacy. And even up on this corner on this side, right, we're the first site here, so there's no one here. There you see my truck. It's a really nice site.
Was yours a strawberry?
Yes.
Okay.
you got hooks, towel rack, bench, sink, hand dryer, and shower that gets nice and warm. Here's their accessible shower room. They all like grab rails. We do have a dog washing spot. Nice pavilion by the playground. Very busy playground. Community fire pit out here. This place is very nice. We going in?
Oh yeah.
What do you think of this place?
It's nice.
How was your first night in the camper?
Slept very comfortably. Not sure about the wife yet.
Still asleep?
Yeah, when she gets up, we'll find out.
I might get a shirt. Here's another section. This is Adirondack Way in here. So they have these little sections. It's all very nice. Definitely resort feel, not state park feel. So when we camp, we go resort camping and we also go state park camping. Very different situations. But we enjoy them both. So they have these little sections that come in here, but they all loop all the way around. And you can see you got hills behind you, so you feel like you're up in the mountains, even though you have direct access to all the touristy stuff in Pigeon Forge. So they're all getting ready for the season. I have noticed they are continuing to upgrade the sites. Like you see one down here, they added an additional concrete pad for picnic area. So I see maintenance on a regular basis here, which is good. They do have trailer parking down here. Not campers, trailers. So
like if you're towing a boat behind your...
Right, your motorhome or something, or you know, one of those enclosed car carriers. So here's extra parking. I go down into Gatlinburg for dinner. We'll see what we choose. Hey look, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.